Hey everyone, welcome to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix achievements not showing on Instagram. So achievements is a new feature on Instagram where creators can earn milestones by performing certain activities and achievements. Now without any further ado, let me show you the steps where you can fix your problem. First of all, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for Instagram here. Here we go. Now tap on the application and make sure that you do not see the option of update like you see in my case. If you see this option, just like in my case, then tap on it and update your Instagram app. This is because Achievements is a new feature on Instagram, and if your app is not updated, you may not get the feature. So make sure to keep your app up to date. Now, after this step, another step what you can follow is just go back to your home page and launch Instagram application on your device. And make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now you can see that professional dashboard is activated in my profile, and you need to do the same in order to get achievements. So just tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Here we go. Now once you're here, you'll come across various options, and you can see the option of Creator Tools and Controls under For Professionals. Tap on it. Now over here, you'll see the option of Add New Professional Account. So tap on that option as well. Now, just tap on Continue in order to get Professional Dashboard for your professional account. Now, after following these steps, just go back to your profile and tap on Professional Dashboard. Now, you can see that the Achievements feature is available on my Instagram account. So, that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos.